got another package in the mail. Let's see what's inside. I know some of you have been asking me when my next unboxing video is, so here you go. Yeah. I'm terrible at opening boxes. Oh, come on, really? Thanks, packing peanuts. Yay. Sorry, Dad. I know you're not going to be happy. Can you guess? Well. This just in. David sucks at opening boxes. Yes, I know that. And we have a Gentex Commander 1. I have another one. Oh, great. So yeah, here it is. And of course the phone's going to ring. And yeah. So I'll screw that together later. So yeah, Gentex Commander 1. There it is. Now that the phone stopped ringing, because, you know, just my luck, it just had to happen when I'm making a video. Here's the device itself. As you can see, the fire lettering is not on the cover plate. It's on the alarm itself. This is a 4-wire device. Okay, and the model number is HS241575WR. Okay, 24 volts DC. Yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Again.